They go up by one, 14-13 after the extra point. Tigers bounce back big though, and they go on to win this one by a final score of 31-14. The Tigers are headed to Lucas Oil Stadium next Saturday to face Decatur Central.
Indiana High School football state championships continue this afternoon at Lucas Oil Stadium. The final of which is tonight. That would be the 5A state championship between Decatur Central and Warsaw.
In the sun, I'm always on the run. The game I never won, islands to be found. There's darkness on my mind.